Want to learn front-end development but don't know where to start? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Git, GitHub, it can get confusing. So what if I give you a simple roadmap that you can follow for the next 60 days? In this video, I will show you exactly what to learn, how much time to spend on each technology, and when to start building projects. Hey everyone, welcome back to Confused Engineers Odyssey. And if you are an engineering student planning to start front-end development, this roadmap is for you. I have decided the journey into 6 stages and 60 days. So let's start. Day 1 to 5. HTML. Learn the basic structure, tags, attributes, links, images, lists, tables, forms, and semantic HTML. For learning HTML, you can follow the Apna College YouTube channel. By the end of these 5 days, you should be able to create the structure of a basic web page. Day 6 to 10. CSS. Learn selectors, colors, fonts, box model, positioning, flexbox, grid, and responsive design. For CSS, you can continue with Apna College and don't just watch tutorials. Build small web pages while learning. Day 11 to 30. Now comes the biggest part, JavaScript. You have 20 days for JavaScript. Start with the fundamentals like variables, data types, conditions, loops, functions, arrays, and objects. Then move to DOM manipulation, events, modern JavaScript, asynchronous JavaScript, and APIs. For JavaScript, you can again follow Apna College. And while learning, build small projects like a calculator, to-do list, or weather application. The goal is to become comfortable with JavaScript before moving to React. Day 31 to 45. React. Once your JavaScript foundation is strong, spend 15 days learning React. Start with components, JSX, props, and state. Then learn important hooks like useState, useEffect, and useRef. After that, learn routing, API integration, and how to build complete React applications. For React, you can follow Chai Our Code YouTube channel. And remember, don't jump into React before understanding JavaScript. Day 46 to 50. Git, GitHub, and deployment. Learn the basic Git commands, understand how GitHub works, and start uploading your projects. For Git and GitHub, you can follow Unique Coder YouTube channel. Then learn how to deploy your projects and make them available online using Vercel or Netlify. The same resource section can help you understand the basics of deployment as well. Because building a project is good, but having a live project that you can actually share is even better. Day 51 to 60. And finally, the most important part, projects. Spend the last 10 days building 2 to 3 practical projects. For example, a portfolio website to showcase your skills and projects, a movie search app using an API, or a student task management app building with React. Don't just copy projects from tutorials. Try to build them yourself using everything you have learned. Push them to GitHub, deploy them, and add them to your portfolio. So here is your complete 60 days roadmap. 5 days HTML, 5 days CSS, 20 days JavaScript, 15 days React, 5 days Git, GitHub and deployment, and last 10 days for practical projects. That's your complete front-end development journey in 60 days. And if you want all the YouTube resources mentioned in this roadmap, you don't have to search for them yourself. Just comment any emoji and I will share the complete resource list with you. But remember, 60 days does not mean you have to become an expert. The goal is to build a strong foundation, create real projects, and understand where to go next. So don't just watch tutorials. Learn, practice, build, and repeat. If you are starting your front-end journey, save this roadmap and start with day 1. And if you want a complete day 1 to day 60 schedule, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Confused Engineers Odyssey for more content on learning development and navigating engineering life. I'll see you in the next video.